Hi, my name's Cliff, Cliff's Custom Floors. The olden days, I would have had to come in here with probably 4 or 5 calcium chloride kits, and I'd have to open a spot up before we ever tore up the carpet, and I'd have to check it out, leave it over a weekend, do my calculations, and all that would tell me is what it was doing right then. Well, I've had some of these probes in place for 2 weeks, and I can go put my sensor back in, so we know exactly what the slab's doing moving forward. And even in new buildings, I do that still. I put down the moisture probes, and we do our prep to get down as deep as we can and make sure that our adhesives work and that it doesn't affect the longevity of the floor. We drill accordingly, the 2 inches, assuming it's a 4-inch slab, and then poke down the sensor, and then I'm able to come in. I'm just curious right now because I haven't read it today. Then we're able to just take that reader, hot dog. That one's at 92. That moisture has come up. See? Pretty cool. So that tells me this little area I'm going to treat different than the rest.